Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay. Today we will discuss about methods in Java. In the class and object video, I told you object has state and behavior. You can check it out from the I button. So in that video, I said regarding state, remember the variable that we have seen in the last video in detail. And for behavior, remember the method that we are going to see in this video. So let's get started. So what is method? In Java program, to perform a activity or action, for that we use method. Suppose we have a car that has state and behavior. About state we already discussed in the previous video. So talking about behavior of car object, so what activity it can do? Simple, it can run. So this running activity is a method. It is run only when we called it. So now I am calling, hey lightning, let's run. So let's running. Very simple. So let's discuss how it can implement in our Java program. For that, syntax for declaring the methods: first, access specifier, which specify the accessibility. Then return type, what type of value return our methods, that is return type. Then method name, you can give any method name, but make sure it must be valid identifier. Then parenthesis, and parameters are optional, but if your activity needs some values to perform a task, then you have to pass the parameters. Then method body means what type of activity you are going to perform, that keep into method body. So let's take the example for your better understanding. So this car class has our blueprint of what activity our object can do. This is our main method. From our program will start the execution. So this car is an imaginary entity because it is blueprint of object. To execute this activity, we have to create one real entity which is object. So car obj equal to new car, this line indicates we have created a car object. Then to run that activity, we have to call that method. So obj.run, which is indicate the we have invoked the method. So by using that object, we are calling the run method. It's a calling to that method, and this lightning we provide the argument to that method. So here that lightning string type parameter is catch, and that will execute our task. So let's do this program in a IDE. So here we have written that code, and let's run it. Now it's working. That's it. So let's revise what is method. A method is a block of code to perform a task or activity. It is used to achieve reusability of code because you can write a method once and use it many times, but it is only executed when you called it. So that's it about today's video. I hope you found informative in this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.